Good afternoon, everyone. I am Astha Raj from PGDM second sem. First of all, I would like to thank Raju Padhyay sir for giving me this opportunity to present my PPT in front of you all. So, my topic is data validation. What is data validation? Data validation is help to decrease incorrect entries and maintain higher data quality. So in data validation, there is a topic which is encircling invalid data in the cells. Now we proceed to Excel. Here we see that there is a payroll of an employees in an organization, and we find that there are some negative payment of an employees. In data validation, there is a option that is data validation. First of all, we highlight all the data. After that, we see that there is an option that is data validation. In data validation, there are three options, that is setting, input message and error alert. In setting, we choose allow. In allow, we select a decimal number because these payments are in decimal. After that, we select data. In data, we select greater than or equal to, and in minimum we select 0 and select OK. And next again we select data validation and select clear invalid data. Here we see that all the negative payroll of an employees are in a circle. So that's all. Thank you.
Go back to your Excel sheet. Any batch? If anybody is having any questions on this, who all wanted to ask question?
So my question is how to clear this rule.
Yeah, your question is how to clear this created rule, that means how to encircle the rule or how to clear the rule?
No, encircle.
Okay.
Yes, clear encircle rule. In data validation, there is an option that is clear validation circle.
Yes.
After click, all the circles are removed.
I think she has given the answer of your question. Is it anybody any other question? Yes. What is your question to this?
Sir, how can we clear the rule from this data?
That means I think you had asked the question how to clear the validation rule what she has created.
Yes, sir.
How can you clear that?
Yes, sir. In data validation, there is an option that is data validation. In data validation, there is an option clear all. After clear all,
and in order to verify, just again go to the data validation. And now you go for circle invalid data, second option.
yes, circle invalid data.
So now since the validation rule got cleared, so we are not reading the circle after happening this option. Yes.
You just go to data validation.
Go to the data validation. What else?
Data validation. Click on data validation. What is input message and error?
Input message is used when you type more payment of an employees.
And what is this error alert?
Error alert. Sorry, sir.
Anybody else who can explain about the error alert? Yeah.
So if we are trying to just type the number which is not following our condition, then it will show the alert before entering any data. This is
It's not a error alert. Give me a mic.
and it will just refrain us to, and it will stop.
See, what you are saying, so you are saying that whenever you try to enter the data, so it will give the message before entering the data.
No, it will stop you to just.
No, but you said that at the time of entering a data, it will ask you, it will show you the error. That can implemented by using the input message. But this error alert is going to come in picture once you enter the wrong data, and after entering the wrong data, clear. So error message will come as a part of this error alert. Clear. So that already I think we have discussed in the previous class. Clear. Anyway, this was a very good presentation and very good participation from the batch also. Right. Thank you very much for having a very good presentation.